Fubao Technology is a professional manufacturer of track roller linear guides. We also provide mechanical components and accessories, delivering reliable and high-quality solutions for industrial automation around the world. TPS track roller guide uses rollers to move smoothly along the rail, making it different from traditional ball-type linear guides. It maintains smooth motion even in dusty environments. The aluminum rail combined with a hard chrome shaft provides excellent rust resistance, low noise, and dust protection. The slider is easy to replace without any loose balls, and no lubrication is required. It delivers stable, high-speed linear motion ideal for coating, plating, food machinery, and smart manufacturing systems. MLG self-lubricating rails are made by aluminum. They are lightweight and no rust. Self-lubricating materials provides low friction, quiet motion, and non-magnetic properties. With no need for maintenance, they are ideal for use in underwater or wet environment applications. HCP clamping block is used to stop the linear guide rail movement. LCP block locks the linear shaft displacement. They requires no power source, locks quickly, and is suitable for assembly benches, jigs, welding frames, etc. The VCP vacuum chuck uses vacuum pressure to hold workpieces securely. It can grip aluminum, engineering plastic, glass, and ceramic materials. It is suitable for thin or multiple workpieces and supports precise milling and grinding operations. The MSP magnetic sweep wand quickly attracts metal chips, nails, and screws. It improves cleaning efficiency, enhances safety, and is made of 304 stainless steel, high-quality oil-resistant grip for use in factories or construction sites. We are looking for local distribution partners and look forward to expanding the market together.